world where every movement matters and every decision shapes the future, we are here to create what drives it all. Flow. Flow is more than just technology. It's a mindset, a force that drives our culture, our innovation, and our desire to grow together, and our commitment to a sustainable future. With our collective expertise and passion for technological advancements, we tackle the most complex challenges. Flow isn't just about the big things, it's in every detail. It's in the way your heating system keeps you warm at night, or how wind turbines provide electricity to communities. We create solutions that optimize and drive progress, making our customers more efficient and sustainable. We are the leading force in flow technology.